Hi YouTube, I'm Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about shutting down your computers when you're done for the day. It's not a terrible idea. It does a couple of things. One, right, is that it's not a terrible idea to reboot your computers every now and then, at least once a week. If you shut them down, right, and then turn them on when you come in the morning, that's effectively rebooting the computer. It'll help your computer run a little bit better. Also, the big issue now is if you get attacked with ransomware and at like 3 in the morning and your computer is turned off, guess what? Your computer's probably not going to get infected because, wait for it, it was turned off. So that's probably, now we're saying it's not a terrible idea to do that. We're telling our clients, it's not a terrible idea to just shut down your computer. I guess the downside is that it might take a while for your computer to boot and for programs to load, but again, not a terrible idea. Now, one exception to that would be if you're patching that weekend or patching that night. Obviously, you want to keep your computers on so that the computer does receive the patches. So that might be an exception. But other than that, it's not a terrible idea to just shut down your computer because it's really hard to infect a computer that's turned off. Now, hackers, if they're smart, can do this thing called wake up on LAN and basically kick it in the head and have it boot. But for the most part, hopefully, for example, if your computer wasn't turned on, there's a good chance it will not get infected. So anyway, that's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please boink at the subscribe button, boink at the like button. It does help out the channel. Stay safe out there. Consider turning off your computers when you're not using them at the end of the day or when you're done for the end of the day. Stay safe out there. We'll talk to you soon.